Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. 10 lines essay on morning walk. First line: morning walk is a good exercise. Morning walk is a good exercise. Second line: it is good for children, young and old ones. It is good for children, young and old ones. Third line: it reduces the chances of heart attack, diabetes and other diseases. Fourth line: morning walk relaxes our mind and body. Morning walk relaxes our mind and body. Fifth line: morning walk provides fresh air. Sixth line: a regular morning walk keeps us fit. A regular morning walk keeps us fit. Next line: it makes us energetic. Eighth line: morning walk is also good. Morning walk is also good for our mental health. Next line: it increases the blood circulation. It increases the blood circulation throughout the body. Last line: morning walk helps to lose weight and extra fat from the body.